our pre-kindergarten papers for week 2. First, again, we're going to start with your name. Take your pencil, remember to pinch it, and trace over the letters in your name, and then try your best to write it all by yourself with no dots at the top or the bottom. Our next paper is learning how to write our letter B. We have our big B and our little b. To make your big B, you'll start at the top, go straight down, pick up your pencil, go back to the top, and do 1 bump and 2 bumps. And that will be your big B. Your little b, you'll make a tall straight stick. You start at the top, go all the way down, pick up your pencil again, start in the middle of the line and go around and just make 1 bump, and that will be your little b. Our color this week is the color blue. B-L-U-E, blue. So you can color the crayon blue. You can trace over these letters to write the word blue, and then color the pictures at the bottom that are the color blue. Our shape this week is a square. So you'll take your pencil again, put your name at the top, and then trace the dots all around to make all the different squares. They're windows on this building. Our number this week is the number 2. So we're going to count how many, and we're going to color all the pictures that show 2 of something. So go to each box. We'll start here. How many cookies are in the jar? 1, 2. So you'll color that one. Go through all of the pictures and see everything that has 2, you color. Back to our letter. Our letter this week is the letter B. B says the B sound. So you'll go through and look at the pictures and listen for the B sound. Duck, bone, book, rake, tree, ball, bag, and popcorn. Our next paper is some practice for gluing. Put your name here at the top, and it says just a dot, not a lot. So you'll take your squeezy glue and just squeeze little dots on each of these dots on our star to practice dot, dot, not a lot for our glue. Then our next paper is to practice using your scissors. Remember, you'll put your thumb in the small hole, the rest of the fingers in the other, and always turn your scissors so the thumb's up. And you're going to see if you can cut on these lines all the way up to the boys and girls at the top. Open, shut, and just push all along those lines. Our next paper is about patterns. Patterns are thinking about what comes next. So on this one goes pencil, book, pencil, book. What do you think should come next? Again, you'll use your scissors for this one. Thumbs up, cut these squares apart, and then the one that goes next here, I think, is the pencil. So you'll take the little paper with the pencil. You'll use your stick glue this time. Take off the lid. Rub some glue in the square and stick the picture of the pencil there. And that will show your pattern. And go ahead and do it with the rest of them.